Guys, it's Frances. Welcome back to my channel. I have a different kind of video for you guys today. I am going to be decorating my notes pages in my Happy Planner. Before, all the other planners that I've gotten, this has been like the currently page. This particular planner does not have the currently page. It's just note pages. It's like a note page at the beginning of every month. I have this planner, by the way. I don't remember what it's like. I don't remember what it's called. I don't remember. I'm not even going to try and tell you guys what the name is. I don't remember what it is. So when I got this planner, I was like, oh, I don't know what I'm going to do with the notes page section. And then I decided I wanted to do like a mood / inspiration board. So I'll show you like what I've done for the previous months. I always meant to film them and then I never do. I always just end up doing them by myself. This was January. I did this using like an old calendar page that I had and then some scrapbook paper. These are like stickers from the Dollar Tree. And then this was February. I really like the way this one came out. This was also from a calendar paper. I talked about this calendar paper in a previous video. Basically, this comes from one of those calendars that you have on your desk and you kind of pull off each page. So here I have like something this. So you see how it has like the date. So each day you pull it off and it has like a different design or picture or quote. So I cut out this design and I just really liked the way overall, the way February turned out. And then this is March. And I did post these on my Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen these. If you don't, I will leave a link down below. It's just the same as my YouTube. It's Frivolous Frances. So this is March. And this is, I used some Dollar Tree stickers that I had that I wanted to use up, which I still haven't used up. And then these are some stickers from Michaels. This is April. And again, I used the calendar pages. And then some like ephemera that I had in, I don't even remember what brand this was, but this is ephemera that I had for a while. And I just finally decided to use it. This is like washi from Target and then washi from Hobby Lobby. Some Mambi stickers. I have my birthdays down here. April was a busy month for birthdays. And then I just added some Easter stickers. And then for May, I know it's like the middle of May. I usually try and like do these pages at the beginning of the month so I can look at them throughout the month. But I don't know, time just got away from me in May. So I haven't done it. And then I wasn't going to film it because I was like, I'm just going to do it on my own. But I had already posted on Instagram that I was going to film a video on it. And I figured if I'm going to do it, I might as well film it anyway. Anyway, I ended up picking this page. This is from that calendar. And I really like the design, so I always keep them because I just feel like they're too pretty to throw away. The only thing about this one is that I want to use the whole image. So I feel like I'm kind of playing you guys because there's not going to be much to do on this page like the other months that I've done. But I just really like the image and I thought it went well with like May and, you know, like just the spring season because it's been raining a lot. And on the back of these, they have the artist's name. So this one is Elizabeth Grubaugh. I don't know if I'm saying that. Grubaugh. That's how I'm going to say it. So if you guys, I guess, want to check out her info, that's her @ and her website. I will link that down below too, just in case y'all want to check her out. But yeah, I'm going to be using this. Before I picked this out, I pulled out a whole bunch of washi that I want to use up. Or not use up, but just, you know, use because I haven't used washi in a long time. But then after I pulled this paper out, I'm like, I don't even think I'm going to be able to use washi. But these are from the archives. These are old washis. These are from like 3 years ago. Do you guys remember these washi sets? They might still have them at Michael's, actually. I just haven't. I don't really go into the washi section like that anymore. So I have these just in case. Don't know if I'm going to use those. I don't know if I'm going to have enough room. And then I also pulled out these sticky notes. These are for Michael's. I purchased these a while ago too. I purchased these maybe like 2 or 3 years ago. So I think this one's not as sticky anymore. I think I want to use that. I don't know. I'm gonna test it out and see. Like, I kind of like that. Okay, and then also pulled out my, well, I already had this out because I'm doing a Aladdin theme for this week in my happy planner. So I needed this for the Jasmine stickers, but I am going to use one of these under the special days because Aladdin is coming out this month and I'm super excited. So I'm probably going to use like one of the Jasmine stickers for that in here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I feel like I've been talking a lot, so let's see how these clouds are going to work out. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. I feel like this took longer than it should have. I was so indecisive about everything. I wasn't sure, and I'm still not sure about these washies, but I don't know, I figured it kind of goes with like the theme of being carefree. I don't even know if that makes sense, but I'm gonna leave them on there for now. I may take them off, I don't know yet. And then down here I forgot to add Cinco de Mayo, and I'm like, I mean, I guess it's not really that big of a deal, but I was like, dang it, I wish I would have put something right here to take up space. And then I was like, oh, I could have put Cinco de Mayo on here, but it's fine. I didn't feel like whiting this out because I thought it might look funny. Will it look funny? Okay, I'm gonna do it. Even though I hate this whiteout, I hate the Bic whiteout. So I'm hoping I'm not making a decision that I'm going to regret. Even though we don't really celebrate Cinco de Mayo like that. We had a party this year, but only because my uncle's birthday is the day before. And I think that was a Saturday. So we ended up doing something on Sunday. And it kind of, I guess it was kind of a double celebration, but really we weren't doing it for Cinco. We were doing it for his birthday, and we had completely forgot that it was actually Cinco de Mayo until after the fact. All right, this is the whiteout that I use. I do not care for it. Sometimes it does a good job, and then sometimes it's trash. So let's hope and pray that today is one of those days that it does a good job. But I don't have high expectations. Okay, it did okay. It didn't peel up or anything. Let's see how it writes though. The only thing is that I whited out that line, but it's fine. Alright, cool. Alright, so that is it for this video, you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button so that I know that you want me to continue to do these pages every month. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great week. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!